Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I guess today I was just gonna show you like me typing in on my keyboard, on my Bluetooth keyboard, and that's pink and I love it so much. And also I was just gonna show you a clip about me packing an order from TikTok shop. Other than that, I haven't really been feeling like to post videos anymore. And I know that I have passion for like writing and doing stuff, but like lately I've just been feeling so off. Like I don't want to do anything, and that's not like me. Like usually I want to do stuff and I'm proactive and I find a way even when there is no way. Um but I've just been like feeling down a little bit, especially with like not getting enough sales on my book from other platforms and feeling like I'm a failure and stuff. So like I want to like encourage myself and remind myself that I can do this even if I think that I'm a failure, that everybody doesn't get like the mainstream success for their first book. So even though this is technically my second book, I want to like prove to myself that I can do it even when I'm down and stuff. And school has not been making things better, so like I've just been trying to like be in my shell a little bit more, which I know that I shouldn't really do that to myself because I know that I've come a long way with me even publishing this book and all the challenges that I had to face in order to like get this book running and changing the book cover and doing all types of stuff for this book to come out fine. Um, I am working on my book project although, but at the same time like I haven't been focusing too much on it, and I was supposed to do the rough draft challenge, but I don't know if I'll be able to do it anymore because I've been like I've been focused on school and stuff, and I want to like get good grades this semester, so I'm trying my hardest to do exactly what I want to do. Some things are just not going well for me right now, but I know that with time I'll I'll be okay. But I don't know if I'll consistently post every week. I'm going to try to post when I can, but I'm just so happy to have the support of people buying my book, even if it's the small support. And I just appreciate when people comment on my TikTok and um tell me some stuff about that they're supporting me, or even if they buy one purchase one book is something. So I'm just gonna keep going, and hopefully I can order more books so that I can stock them on my website and on my TikTok shop. It has been very difficult because like you're not getting a lot of sales and I don't have a lot of inventory of the same books and stuff. But I do have inventory of my old book, but I realized that people didn't really like the book cover, even though the person that did their best, tried their best to do what I wanted them to do. But I'm just trying to like take every day one day at a time and not beat myself up and give myself grace for things that are just out of my control. But yeah, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, like, comment some encouraging words for me so that I can be uplifted. And yeah, hope to see you guys soon, and hope to like upload more videos soon.